Hello, my name is Swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the Timberline Simba knife. It's a Tim Wegner design, a Simba GHS we see on the blade. The model number is really tiny engraved there too. It's 6520 made in China. It's gonna be hard for the camera to pick that up. Basically they make two versions of that knife, a bit smaller one and the bigger one. This one is the bigger one. The blade steel is D2. It's made in China. It is mainly for use as a hunting knife because we have here the good hook as well. It's a liner lock knife. We have the textured G10 that got milled. It's basically a green G10 that has a black overlay, and they mill through the black overlay layer, and then you have those green color shining through there. It's like a cutout or a milling that resembles a paw of an animal. So that gives texturing. Additionally, that is a G10 that has the peel off skin, so there is already a bit texturing on the black G10 as well. Nicely rounded or angled on the side, so pretty nice. The liner lock is nestled, the liner on top now as well too, so they are not exposed. Again, this is a hunting knife, so that should be easy to clean about the blood and else. So they made a open web construction. We just see the bottle spacers in between there. On the back side we have a pretty good size lanyard hole that works really easy with 5mm with the paracord. The size of the hole at the thinnest part is approximately 6mm, so that is really nice. Then we have on this knife here the main blade, as we see, with that one hand opening hole. We have two serrated parts, so you can if you wanna skin, you can hold it like that, or you can use it like this. We have on the bottom those jimping as well, so you can use it in a different variation of handle styles that you gonna like. That is up to you. The blade is D2, as I did say. It's a flat grind, but really high up. Has quite a belly, as this is a hunting knife. So it's not 100% stainless steel blade. The D2 steel you need to lubricate and oil, otherwise it's gonna corrode. It's a bit a mix between carbon steel and stainless steel, but it's not 100% like a stainless steel, so that needs oil, especially if you're gonna put it away in storage. Liner lock is adjusted well here, easy to use. The knife itself, it's also easy to open. What is a bit on the sharp side, and that I gonna remove the sharpness, is on the bottom part. We see up here they did grind the blade, so the bottom part of the hole is really sharp. The top part is not that bad. That is basically where you're gonna open it up, but as you do the turn, you may you come on the lower part here of the hole also with the thumb, and that is too sharp. That is simply too sharp there with that edge, and this of course on both sides, because that is the grind of the blade. So there you need to quite likely use the Dremel and soften a bit the edge there. That works better. Now as the main blade is closed, we see here that secondary blade. We have a thumb stud that would actually not even be needed. That is the question, how much in the way that gets by pocket carry. You can either use that one for open up, or you simple grab where the blade is, because the blade is chiseled around. It's not gonna cut you if you put the thumb on it and simply open it up. So we have two dimples in the liner, and the dimple there, so it basically gonna snaps into the hole there, into the dimple, and that's what it is. There is no liner lock or anything else that holds the good hook in place. That would have be a better design feature if they would have added a small liner lock on that blade as well. Let's hope it's not gonna collapse too much as you're gonna skin an animal. It feels pretty sturdy, has quite some resistance on it. Question is how long that's gonna be like that. Quite likely then you need to readjust that screw here, that the pressure force is a bit bigger on that one. So all in all, pretty nice idea. Even if you are not a hunter, this would be also good as a cutter for strings, or for the seat belt cutter and things like that, because it's not pointed, it's rounded outside. That is pretty safe to use. On the other side we have the pocket clip, again over that texturing, over that paw millet surface there. We see the privet that you can adjust. The pocket clip goes in the other side as well, and on that side too, but not down here because we have the other blade in the way. So you can mount the pocket clip in 3 different directions on 2 sides, so even the left hand people would enjoy it. So all in all, the build quality is for sure nice. I'm gonna test that one a bit more, and the D2 blade should be pretty sharp together with that high flat grind. That should not be the problem at all. It's just here in North Georgia, the humidity, we need to be careful with the D2 that's not gonna rust, especially as a folding knife. That is always a bit a problem in the pocket. So that much about the Simba knife from Timberline.